Hi and welcome, it's Peg and day 13 of Art Journal Habit 2019. This is a yearly challenge that Chelsea and I do on Art Joy Sharing. And the prompt for today is touch. Okay, so I had started this page, lost some footage someplace. I'm busy, can't keep track of all my video clips. And what I had done is use some light molding paste through a Tracy Batista stencil on this page, and I let it dry. And I started that before I actually started the liquid page that you see there on the left. So I'm just grabbing some Jane Davenport watercolors. This is going to be a very fast page. Because these colors are not as vibrant as, say, the Inktense or some of the other colors that I use, I'm going to have to lay them in here several times to get the depth of color that I want. But that's okay. It's an art journal page. I can do that. I'll come back to it a couple of times. But what my page is saying is about trust. And, excuse me, not trust. Wrong day. Is about touch. And there are many people who touch my heart. The people who touch my heart the most are you, who are my viewers, who leave me kind comments, who share with me their thoughts about each day that I create, and who are part of my community. Come over and join our communities. Both Art Joy Sharing and Pick a Stick Challenge have wonderful people, wonderful artists involved in sharing their art. And I have a number of artists that are actually in Art Joy Sharing that are, teaching, helping those people who have not experienced so much of this sort of thing and want to learn more. So there's a file over there which has all of their video content in it. You can just go in and watch until your heart's content and enjoy. So I'm going to continue layering these colors in. I do end up using some Gina K glitter paste over the floral. I think to me, it needed something to give the page some oomph because these colors just weren't cutting it for me. You can see how pale they are even as a first application. So I think I did 3 or 4 applications of color before I was satisfied enough to leave it alone. But tomorrow is a travel day for me. I need to get packed and going. So this is going to be a very short one. Thanks for stopping in. Be sure and use the hashtag so that I can find your art. And remember to be kind, love one another. And I will see you later. Bye.